Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about problems on quadrilateral and section formula. Quadrilateral. First question, show that the points minus 3, 1, minus 6, minus 7, 3, minus 9, 6, minus 1 taken in order form a parallelogram. Here 4 vertices given. Show that the vertices form parallelogram. Let A equal to minus 3, 1, B equal to minus 6, minus 7, C equal to 3, minus 9, D equal to 6, minus 1. 6, minus 1. In a parallelogram, this is the diagram of the parallelogram. A, B, C, D, 4 vertices. In this case, the opposite sides are equal and the diagonals AC not equal to BD. First to find AB distance, root of difference of x coordinate whole square, minus 3 minus of minus 6 plus 6, minus 3 plus 6 whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square, 1 minus of minus 7, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 whole square, minus 3 plus 6, 3, 3 square, 9, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 square, 64, 9 plus 64, 73, root 73, distance between AB. Next to find BC distance. Here apply the formula, minus 6 minus 3 whole square, minus 6 minus 3 whole square plus minus 7 minus of minus 9 plus 9 whole square, minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 whole square, 81, minus 7 plus 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 2 square, 4, 81 plus 4, 85, root 85. Next to find the distance between CD, root of CD, 3 minus 6 whole square, 3 minus 6 whole square plus minus 9 plus 1 whole square, minus 9 plus 1 whole square, 3 minus 6 minus 3, minus 3 whole square, 9, minus 9 plus 1, minus 8 whole square, 64, 9 plus 64, 73, root 73, Next to find AD distance, square root of AD, minus 3 minus 6 whole square, minus 3 minus 6 whole square, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 whole square, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 whole square, 81, 1 plus 1 2, 2 square, 4, 81 plus 4, 85. Here to observe the sides, AB root 73, CD root 73, opposite sides equal, BC root 85, AD root 85, opposite sides equal. Next, diagonals are not equal. To find the diagonals AC and BD. Diagonals AC, diagonal AC, minus 3 whole square, root of minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 9 plus 9, 1 plus 9 whole square, minus 3 minus 6 whole square, 36, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 square, 100. 36 plus 100, 136. Root 136, the length of diagonal AC. Next to find BD. BD length, root of BD. Minus 6 whole square. Plus minus 7 plus 1 whole square. Minus 7 plus 1 whole square. Minus 6 minus 12. Minus 12 whole square, 144. Minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. Minus 6 whole square, 36. 144 plus 36. 144 plus 36. 6 4 10. 4 3 7. 1 8. 180. Root 180. Here two diagonals not equal. AC does not equal to BD. And observe that AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Next, observe that BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. Then ABCD form a parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD form a parallelogram. Next question. Show that the points 8, 4, 5, 7, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 2 taken in order form a rectangle. Here the four vertices, let A equal to 8, 4, B equal to 5, 7, C equal to minus 1, 1, D equal to 2, minus 2. In the diagram, ABCD is a rectangle. In this case, opposite sides equal. AC is one diagonal, BD is another diagonal. Diagonals also equal. First to find AB. Difference of x coordinate whole square. 8 minus 5 whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square. 4 minus 7 whole square. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 square, 9. 4 minus 7, minus 3. Minus 3 whole square, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Root 18. Next to find BC. BC distance. Square root of 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 square, 36. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 square, 36. 36 plus 36, 72. Next to find CD distance. CD, square root of minus 1 minus 2 whole square. 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2 whole square. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 square, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 square, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Root 18. Next to find AD distance. AD, square root of 8 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 whole square. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 square, 36. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 square, 36. 36 plus 36, 72. Root 72. Here AB root 18, CD root 18. Opposite side equal. BC root 72. BC root 72. AD root 72. Opposite sides equal. Next to find diagonals. diagonals. Next to find diagonals, to find AC distance, square root of AC, 8 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 8 plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square, 4 minus 1 whole square, 8 plus 1 9, 9 square 81, 4 minus 1 3, 3 square 9, 81 plus 9 90, root 90 AC distance. Next to find BD, root of BD distance, 5 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 7 plus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 3, 3 square 9, 7 plus 2 9, 9 square 81, 9 plus 81 90, root 90. Here AC BD, these two diagonals equal, AC is equal to BD, diagonals equal. Next sides, opposite sides, AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD. Next BC equal to AD, BC equal to AD. Therefore ABCD is a rectangle, is a rectangle. Next question, show that the points 3 comma minus 2, 7 comma 6, minus 1 comma 2, minus 5 comma minus 6 taken in order form a rhombus. Let A equal to 3 comma minus 2, B equal to 7 comma 6, C equal to minus 1 comma 2, D equal to minus 5 comma minus 6. In a rhombus, this is the rhombus diagram. In a rhombus, ABCD is a rhombus. In this rhombus, 4 sides equal, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. This is a diagonal AC and the diagonal BD not equal. First to find AB. AB square root of 3 minus 7 whole square plus minus 2 minus 6 whole square, minus 2 minus 6 whole square, 3 minus 7 minus 4, minus 4 whole square 16, minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, minus 8 whole square 64, 64 16, 6 plus 4 10, 6 7 8, 80, 16 plus 64 80. Next to find BC, 7 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 7 plus 1 whole square, 6 minus 2 whole square, 7 plus 1 8, 8 square 64, 6 minus 2 4, 4 square 16, 64 plus 16 80, root 80. Next to find CD, distance between CD, square root of minus 1 minus of minus 5 plus 5, minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 6 plus 6, 2 plus 6 whole square, that equal to square root of minus 1 plus 5 4, 4 square 16 plus 2 plus 6 8, 8 square 64, 16 plus 64 80, root 80. Next to find AD, square root of distance between AD, 3 minus of minus 5 plus 5, 3 plus 5 whole square, minus 2 minus of minus 6 plus 6, minus 2 plus 6 whole square, 3 plus 5 8, 8 square 64 plus minus 2 plus 6 4 4 square 16 64 plus 16 80 root 80. Here to find the four sides equal. Next to find AC and BD diagonals. Length of AC, root of AC, 3 minus of minus 1, 3 plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square, 3 plus 1 4 4 square 16 minus 2 minus 4 whole square 16 16 plus 16 32 root 32. Next to find BD square root of BD, 7 minus of minus 5 plus 5 7 plus 5 whole square plus 6 minus of minus 6 plus 6 6 plus 6 whole square, 7 plus 5 12 12 square 144, 6 plus 6 12 12 square 144. The sum is root 288. To observe that the diagonals AC does not equal to BD, AC does not equal to BD, and the four sides equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. Next question, show that the points 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, minus 2, 1 taken in order form a square. Here first vertex let A equal to 0, minus 1, B equal to 2, 1, C equal to 0, 3, D equal to minus 2, 1. This is the diagram of square. Here ABCD is a square. The four sides are equal. Here AC one diagonal, BD another diagonal. The diagonals are also equal. First to find AB 0 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square, 0 minus 2 square 4, minus 1 minus 2 whole square 4, 4 plus 4 8 root 8. Next to find BC distance, root of 2 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square, 2 minus 0 2 square 4, 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square 4, 4 plus 4 8 root 8. Next to find CD, square root of 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2 whole square, 3 minus 1 whole square, 0 plus 2 2 square 4, 3 minus 1 2 square 4, 4 plus 4 8. Next to find AD distance, square root of AD, 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2 whole square, minus 1 whole square, 0 plus 2 square 4, minus 1 minus 2 whole square 4, 4 plus 4 8 root 8. To observe that AB, BC, CD, AD, four sides are equal to root 8. Next, AC diagonals. AC, square root of AC, 0 minus 0 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. 0 minus 0, 0, minus 1 minus 3, minus 4 whole square, 16, 0 plus 16, 16, root 16 value 4. Root 16 value 4. Next to find BD. Root of BD. 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 whole square. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 whole square. 2 plus 2 4. 4 square 16. 1 minus 1 0. Root 16 plus 0 16. Root 16 value 4. Here the diagonals, two diagonals equal. AC is equal to BD. And the sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Four sides equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. The model of questions in section formula. First one, find the point which divides the line segment joining. First question, minus 1 comma 2, 4 comma minus 5 in the ratio 3:2. Second one, 4 comma 5 minus 3 comma 4 in the ratio minus 6:5. First question, minus 1 comma 2, 4 comma minus 5 in the ratio 3:2. Here let A, first point, let A equal to minus 1 comma 2, the coordinates x1, y1. B equal to 4 comma minus 5, the coordinates x2, y2. Divide point, let it be P. Let P divides AB in the ratio 3:2. This is the positive ratio. Positive ratio means P divides AB internally. This is the line segment AB. If the ratio is positive, the P divides in between AB. Here M equal to, this is M is to N. M equal to 3, N equal to 2. To apply the formula, P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Apply the values. Here m equal to 3 into x2 4, 3 into 4 plus n value 2 into x1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1, m plus n 3 plus 2, m y2 3 into minus 5 plus n y1 2 into 2 by m plus n 3 plus 2. 3 into 4 12, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 5, comma 3 into minus 5 minus 15, 2 into 2 4 by 5. 12 minus 2, P is equal to 12 minus 2 10, 10 by 5, comma minus 15 plus 4 minus 11, minus 11 by 5. 5 1 to 5 2, 2 comma minus 11 by 5. This is the answer. Second question, 4 comma 5 minus 3 comma 4 in the ratio minus 6 is to 5. Your first point, let A equal to 4 comma 5, B equal to minus 3 comma 4. The coordinates x1 y1, B coordinates x2 y2. Let P divides AB in the ratio minus 6 is to 5. Negative ratio, that means 6 is to 5 externally. Here AB is the line segment, but the point negative ratio, the point P lies outside the line AB. That is, this is the external point. Here the ratio M is to N. Apply the formula. P is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Here m equal to 6 into minus 3, 6 into minus 3, n equal to 5 into 4, m minus n, 6 minus 5, comma m by 2, 6 into 4, minus n y1, 5 into 5, by 6 minus 5. P equal to 6 minus 3, minus 18, plus into minus, minus 18, 5 fours 20, minus 20, 6 minus 5, 1, 6 4, 24, 5 fives 25 by 1, minus 18 minus 20, minus 38, minus 24 minus 25, minus 1, minus 38 comma minus 1. In this video, discuss about problems on quadrilateral and one problem on section formula. Next video, discuss about point of intersection, ratios, models. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.